Kick it old school. Unraveling slang. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fun and nostalgic phrase you might have heard, kick it old school. This phrase is a vibrant part of English slang, and understanding it can add a cool, retro flair to your conversations. So, let's break it down together. Kick it old school is a slang phrase that refers to doing something in a traditional or classic manner, often reminiscent of an earlier time or era. This can involve anything from the style of music, fashion, dancing, or even general approaches to life. The key element here is a sense of nostalgia and appreciation for the simplicity or authenticity of the past. The phrase, kick it old school, originated in the hip-hop and urban culture of the late 20th century. It was used to describe music, dance moves, or styles that harked back to the early days of hip-hop, suggesting a purity and authenticity that fans admired. Over time, its use expanded beyond the realm of hip-hop to describe any activity done in a traditional or classic way. Music. Let's kick it old school tonight and listen to some classic 80s hip-hop. Fashion. I decided to kick it old school at the party and wore a vintage leather jacket. Technology. Instead of streaming a movie, we decided to kick it old school and rented a DVD. Socializing. Forget texting. Let's kick it old school and actually call each other tonight. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, capable of being applied to various activities and preferences. In today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, kicking it old school represents a breath of fresh air. It evokes a sense of simplicity, authenticity, and nostalgia that many find appealing. It's a way to connect with the past, appreciate the roots of modern culture, and enjoy the simplicity of earlier times. We hope you enjoyed exploring the meaning and usage of kick it old school with us. This phrase is more than just slang. It's a bridge to the past, celebrating the traditions and styles that have shaped our present. Whether it's through music, fashion, or simply the way we communicate, kicking it old school reminds us to appreciate the classics in our fast-moving world. Thanks for watching, and we hope this has added a cool, retro touch to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words and grammar, it's also about understanding the culture and history behind the phrases we use. Keep exploring and enjoying the journey. See you in the next video.